Hey yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, no? The crowd answer, no? Uh, we are still on the reaction series sa album ni Philip. Again, that's Seven Sins. And ngayong araw mag-react tayo sa Foes, no? Again, sa kanta sa album yung Seven Sins. And marami nagsabi sa inyo na ihuli natin yung Ache kasi parang yun talaga yung parang pinakahuli dapat na pakinggan sa album. Again, just so you know, like usually sa albums there's like a team, no? Again, that's THEME, no? Team na sinusunod, no? So para makuha mo yung full experience, kadalasan kailangan mo siyang pakinggan in like specific sequence, no? I think ganun din yung lagay dito sa album niya, no? But yeah, I mean, today makikita tayo sa Foes, and I'm really excited, no? To tell you honestly, I'm so hyped dun sa una natin pinakinggan na kanta ni Philip dito sa album niya, which is Rat, no? And I'm looking forward, no? Sa same energy na, or you know, same creativity and musicality na pinakita niya dun sa unang kanta na pinakinggan natin. So, I'm really excited, no? And yeah, I mean, huwag natin patagalin, no? Without no further ado, man, let's get it. Oh shit, man. Parang parang alam mo yung pag nanonood ka ng mga anime, like, you know, type shit, mga ganun. Tapos pag darating na yung parang pinaka main villain, no? Yung pinaka antagonist ng palabas, parang ganito yung music na maririnig mo, no? Ulitin natin yun, man. Napaka grand and napaka ominous ng pasok ng intro na yun, diba? And by the way, no, sorry sa biglang posing. I mean, napansin ko na yung parang ice or glass sculpture is parang mas kita na siya, no? Mas malayo na yung view sa kanya, no? So kitang-kita na angel versus devil yung sculpture. Yeah. Hey.
I got a lot of those. I'm flexing on my foes.
Damn, Foes. I got a lot of those, yeah. Damn. Ngayon mas mas nakuha ko na yung niya. Kasi marami nag-comment sa inyo na karamihan ng mga kanta dito is, you know, patama dun sa mga bashers niya, no? So parang, I mean, mas nagiging mas nakuha ko na yung context nung yung pa lang sa unang linya na yun, no, na Foes. Kasi I mean, Foes, meaning nun is, you know, kalaban, like opposite, you know, kontra, di ba? I got a lot of those.
Foes. I got a lot of those. I'm flexing on my foes. Hey, welcome up, Vilma.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we still have Bisaya, no? But yeah, I mean, that's a good metaphor, no? Para sabihin na sobrang dami niyang kalaban or ang dami niyang, basher or something like that. Pero sabi niya kasi, I got a lot of foes. They got offended when I roll. Ano ba sabi niya? Sorry na. Nabangko ng malayo.
Foes.
Gusto ko yun. Parang batid, no? Hey.
I'm flexing on my foes. I know they offended when I'm on a floor. Shit crazy, think I'm overdose. Hey.
Shit go crazy, think I'm overdose, no? Kasi sobrang dami niyang basher, no? So shit go crazy, I'm overdose, 'di ba? Usually ginagamit 'yun pag marami kang na intake na medicine, 'di ba? Na hindi na tama dun sa prescribe sa or tamang, intake. Usually ma-overdose ka, pero sa lagay niya sobrang dami niyang foes, man. Shit go crazy, think I'm overdose, man.
Welcome up, Vilma. Digging the hell out on the door.
Baka ma-feel na. Yun nga, wala na daw siya ma-feel. Like, numb na nga siya. Or, ano ba Tagalog ng numb? Ano ba Tagalog ng manhid? Manhid na nga daw siya, di ba? Usually, isa yun sa mga, correct me if I'm wrong, pero isa yun sa mga, parang, sintomas na overdose ka na, like, makamanhid ka na, or, may hilo ka na, di ba? So, still on the, sa metaphor na yun, no? Sumusunod.
I'm flexing on my foes. I know they offended when I'm on a floor.
Yeah.
Shit crazy, think I'm overdose. Hey, welcome up, Vilma. Digging the hell out on the door. I don't give a fuck, yeah. All of this bitch.
Hindi ko ma-feel na hindi kailangan ng antidote. Kasi 'di ba parang sinasabi niya na even though na sobrang dami kong basher and I'm overdose, hindi ko kailangan ng antidote, no? Kasi I don't give a fuck, man. Meaning, hindi ko kailangan na gamutin yung sarili ko or parang, maghanap ng, let's say, maghanap ng way, para i-address yung mga bashers niya, para yung mga bashers niya ma-convert niya into like fan, wala siyang pake, no? You don't need an antidote for that, no? Because he don't give a fuck, man. Don't give a fuck, man. Philip just woke up and choose violence, no? I think na quote niya rin yun sa unang kanta niya na pinakinggan natin, Rat. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think doon ko nakuha yun. Okay, pumasok sa utak ko.
Shit crazy, think I'm overdose. Hey, welcome up, Vilma. Digging the hell out on the door. I don't give a fuck, yeah. All of this bitch on the single, something cold, yeah. Government drip, different way, yeah. Woke up on things, again, they water boy, yeah.
That's a fucking 1.5 bar, man. So, grabe nga ang drip, man. I'm so wet. Grabe nga ang drip. Hindi ko ina-expect na kailangan ko na ng water boat. 'Di ba? Pag sinabi na grabe yung drip mo or you have it's a nice drip or, usually slang yon para sabihin na yung fit mo or yung suot mo is malupit, no? Cold, or let's say aura or vibe mo. Pwede isama yun sa drip or sa suot mo, no? Pero at the same time, drip is like tulo, 'di ba? I'm so wet. Hindi ko inaakala na kailangan ko yan ng water boat kasi grabe yung drip niya. Get it? Damn.
Digging the hell out on the door, I don't give a fuck, yeah. All of his bitch on the single, something cold, yeah. Government drip, different way, yeah. Woke up on things, again, they water boy, yeah.
I'm the coolest motherfuckers that you know. Never get in my way, you may catch a cold, yeah, yeah. Way too cool, it's illegal. Authorities, coming.
cold. It's illegal, man. I'm way too cold. I mean, I don't know kung na-explain ko to nung unang reaction sa rat, 'di ba? Ano yung sinabi niya doon sa rat na I think you're the hottest on the scene, but I'm colder. Alala ko pa. 'Di ba? So again, cold is like an expression or pwede nating sabihin na slang in a way para sabihin na sobrang astig mo, sobrang cool mo, like cold. You're cold, that's cold, man. That shit is cold. But yeah, I mean, ito nga, I'm the coolest motherfucker. I'm just letting you know, no? Sabi niya na kailangan tumabi-tabi kayo kasi you might catch a cold. 'Di ba? Kasi I'm cool. I'm so cold. You might catch a cold. Like, baka magkasakit ka kasi sobrang lamig ko. 'Di ba? Sobrang lamig, baka magkasakit ka. You might catch a cold. You know, sipon, 'di ba?
Motherfuckers letting you die. Gotta forget them.
Yung alam mo yung boses niya na I'm just letting you know. Hindi ko kayang gawin. Pero tangina, lupit na. Parang, alam mo yung boses niya, parang pwede mong ilagay sa ano no? Yung sa metal, no? Sa rock. pwede eh.
Never drip, different way, yeah. Woke up on things, I get on
Wait.
I'm the coolest motherfuckers letting you die.
Hey.
Gotta forget them away, you may catch a cold. Yeah. Way too cool, it's illegal. Foreign is coming to get me on the ride. Shine looking like a Vogue magazine cover. Now they see me blowing.
I mean, Philip is just flexing on us, no? I mean, hindi na fair yung ganun no? Kanta-kanta lang. Walang ganyan. Walang ganyanan, no? Yung mugshot daw, parang parang cover ng Vogue magazine. Kasi 'di ba? Nga, good looking si Philip, no? So kahit sa mugshot niya, o kahit mag-mugshot siya, parang cover ng Vogue magazine. I mean, come on, man.
Cool is illegal. Foreign is coming to get me on the ride. Shine looking like a Vogue magazine cover. Now they see me blowing out. They go bad.
Hey. Hey.
I got a lot of rules. I'm flexing on my phones. I'm really offended when I'm on a wall. Chill quick, think I'm overdose.
Yeah.
Like I give a fuck on the lyrical shit. Ganon ang hip-hop bro, pero kahit ang bitch. Magtulgo sa kumusagot sa malawa ng pwede. Lahirig yung prana, galugang yung music mong di ka nag-gig. Like still yung ano, yan
That's fucking nasty. Ulitin natin yun. Sabi niya, what the fuck? He's taking a hit on hip-hop?
I'm flexing on my phones. I'm really offended when I'm on a wall. Chill quick, think I'm overdose. And listen, like I give a fuck on the lyrical shit. Ganon ang hip-hop bro, pero kahit ang bitch. Magtulgo sa kumusagot sa malawa ng pwede. Lahirig yung prana, galugang yung music mong di ka nag-gig. Like still yung ano, yan cool na
Okay. So sabi niya, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck on that lyrical shit. No? Kasi, yun na nga, hip-hop usually like, specifically like rap and like genre of hip-hop. Like, usually, you have to be lyrical to be a rapper, no? I don't know, meron bang nagagalit sa kanya na may mga kanta siyang hindi ganon ka-lyrical? I mean, comment down below. I'm sorry. Wala akong alam sa mga issue ng mga fan or hater ni Philip, no? Pero ayun na nga, sabi niya, wala ko nangayuan ng hip-hop nyo, no? Kasi iba yung iba nga daw yung yung tawag dito. Ano ba yung ito? Iba yung local music, no? So parang kaya niyang ibigay kahit hindi niyo mag-gets yung music niya, no? Parang ganun siya sabi niya. Kaya feeling nyo is parang ano yun? Parang hindi maganda yung music niya, no? Kung iba siya sabi nila kasi hindi nyo mag-gets kasi yun lang at yun lang yung klase ng music na pinapakinggan nyo. Parang ganun yung gusto niya sabihin.
Gonna lyrical shit, yeah. Gana ng hip-hop flow ko ng item bitch. Magtubo sa tumusag ko sa malawar o bese. Lahirig yung prana ka lugang ng music mong di ka dagkis. Like sila yung ano yan, cool na gana, believe sila na ba. Unya mag-flex, kaya kwarta flex, sa kadina tos flex, di mapahinga. Parang kiminig, sige na book na yung gamit na big kid. Mamagusin sa mama, sa way pampalit, kaya lisunod pamilya, let's go na music.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck? What the fuck? I mean, I feel like 70% ng mga ng mga rappers sa Pilipinas tinamaan doon, no? So basically, shit, man. Philip is on demon time, no? Basically, parang sinasabi niya doon na na ito nga, summarize lang natin, no? I mean, aabutin tayo ng ilang oras dito pag tinranslate ko yun word by word, pero parang, ayun na nga, sinasabi niya na, nag-flex mo itong ng pera nyo, gamit nyo, yung mga babae pa kayo, pero sa totoong buhay wala naman kayong pera, nangingi pa kayo ng pera sa magulang nyo, and ayun na nga, kahit na naghihirap na kayo, and that's crazy, man. Damn. Ang daming tatamaan doon.
Live sila na ba? Unya mag-flex, kaya kwarta flex, sa kadina tos flex, di mapahinga. Parang kiminig, sige na book na yung gamit na big kid. Mamagusin sa mama, sa way pampalit, kaya lisunod pamilya, let's go na music.
Shit, that's crazy.
I got a lot of dollars.
Yeah.
I've been flexing on my phone. I know that you're in the one I'm on a run. Yeah, she go crazy, got overdose. Yeah, walk through my feelings. Yeah, you know how I don't want the cold. I ain't give a fuck. Yeah, I live this
Hey.
some cold. Grabbing drink, different way.
Parang ano talaga, no? Parang Lil Uzi Vert. Yung minsan yung parang the way siya mag-enunciate dito sa kantang to, no?
Woke up on Vegas again, they don't want to hold it. Yeah, I'm the coolest motherfucker, just let it If I got in my way, I'm not catch cold. Yeah,
yeah.
way too cool as a nigga. Authority, it's got me the game, my own grind. Yeah,
Alam mo anong kulang dito? Kailangan nilagyan niya ng scream to, no? Like parang screamo. Diba? Kasi, I mean, nandiyan yung boses niya, no? And yung instrument din na gamit, no? Is parang pwedeng pang rock metal, no? So, kailangan nilagyan niya ng scream to, no? Pwede.
I go when I take 6 digits of pants, clothes, 6 digits. Chrome hard, shit ridiculous. I'm a fucking star, it's only natural, that I'm never caught. Yeah, one man I saw is a lot of little.
I mean, now you're just flexing, man. What the fuck?
I go when I take 6 digits of pants, clothes, 6 digits. Chrome hard, shit.
Ako mga kicks, pants, clothes, 6 digit. God damn, no? Parang, ano to, no? Parang, yun na nga, patama sa mga basher niya na, I mean, look at my kicks, man. Look at my pants, my clothes, it's 6 digit. Tana. Usually, mga clothes ko, ano lang 3 digits lang.
I'm fucking star, it's only natural that I'm your God. Yeah, one man saw me, still I don't need to count it all. Yeah, it's spending more money at 20% than a regular. 20% a regular. Yeah, I'm a star, yeah. But it's all I start. I'm from the start, I'm different. Yeah,
Hey.
I'm different.
Nice, man. Nice. Alright, well again, that's Felif Foes, no? Isa sa mga kanta sa album yung 7 Cents. And isa lang masasabi ko, no? I mean, nag-expect ako na same energy noong unang kanta na pinainggan natin. And mas nag-level up pa, no? Mas nag-level up pa, man. Tayo na mas malupit tong Foes na to, no? Grabe yun. Demon time, no? Shit. Ang daming tatamaan din sigurado. But yeah, I mean, yun na nga, no? Parang may pagka-rock element. Yung ano niya. I mean, double entendre yun. Rock element. But yeah, I mean, may pagka, rock yung element nung music, no? Sayang, parang I feel like kayang-kaya niya mag-scream no? Mag-scream mo, matutuosin. Pero I feel like, yeah, I mean, okay lang din naman, no? Kahit di siya mag-scream. Pero I feel like, hindi ko alam kung bakit gustong-gusto ko siya mag-scream doon sa kanta. Kasi parang onting-onti na lang mag-scream na siya, no? Hindi ako matuloy-tuloy, Sayang, pero overall, man, I mean, title pa lang, no? Halatang, ano na siya, patama dun sa mga Foes, man. I got a lot of those. But yeah, kung i-rate ko to, no? Siguro kung mag-rate tayo ng sa napainggan ko, yung una, I'm going to put that like 8, no? 10 is the highest, 8. But this one, Foes, I mean, siguro we're going to put like 1 up, like another level. I'm going to put this on 9, no? Kasi yung yung energy and intensity ng antang doon, no, is mas grabe pa dun sa una natin pinainggan na Rat, no? But yeah, I mean, that's our reaction for today, no? Sana nagustuhan nyo. I mean, ako nagustuhan ko. Leave a like and subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo, no? And, I mean, see you on the next song, man. And if you want me to react to your favorite artist, no? Favorite singer, favorite rapper, favorite song, just comment down below. We're going to react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on the next vid. Stay awesome.